Basically just pressing some studs in the front rotors and just kind of hammering it out because of work and shit. It's my only day off right now for the next 12 days. So pretty straightforward. Move your caliper, move your rotor, so pull your front bearing off, slide pins out, hammer out the old studs, and then these are Moroso studs. These ones need to be pressed in, kind of doing it kind of sketchy with the socket, and then some sockets supporting the rotor to push them in. Not really the best video on this. I'm gonna also have to press the rear axles in eventually, but don't have the time to do that today. Just gonna get the front rotors done because they had the least amount of thread engagement. Probably with my aftermarket wheels, or not technically aftermarket, they're I think those 304 Mustang wheels. They only had about that much thread engagement, give or take, maybe about there at most. So I have to run a wheel spacer to clear that with this style wheel. So to clear it, you have to have a, where is it, quarter inch I think, or 1/8 inch spacer roughly, to be able to put a center cap on the wheels. That's why that style center cap is on the rear versus that style on the front. Because I'm going quite a bit, or quite longer extended studs, I got, packaging looks horrible, but brand new. These are Dorman open-ended lugs. Kind of see them in there. Different spacers to try out for the rear, and I got some other ones for the front. Just make it look a little bit more aggressive, get the tire sticking out or more flush with the body, so it's kind of more level down. Kind of see the rear sunk in about, you can see 1/2 inch. Again, these aren't very aggressive wheels. I think these are 9 inches wide. Set up here, these are 10 or 10.5 inches wide, and then 4-inch wide wheels for the front. These look great also on this car. These are just cheap Jegs wheels. I think they're $110 each. I believe they also come with lifetime warranty. Really nice wheels. It's pretty easy though. Press the stud in. My press is facing the wrong way, but you just kind of send it in nice and slowly, consistent pressures. Make sure to wear safety glasses and whatever else. There we go, we're bottomed out. So repeat the process. Either if you got 4-lug or 5-lug, depending on your setup or not. My car's 5-lug with the I can't remember what your Mustang wheels they are. Just repeat the process on each one. Some of them you don't need to press in. You can just use the lug nut itself and just suck it through. Actually, most factory ones like this, you can literally just suck through. These got larger knurling on it. Quite a bit more aggressive knurling on there versus the normal style. So these are a lot harder to get in, so these do need to be pressed. Part number, if you guys are wondering, this is for the rear of the car, rear axle from Rosso, and then the fronts, that is your front. Showing you kind of how to press them in, kind of how to change them. I wish it was a better video. I completely forgot, and just trying to hammer through it to be ready for work. And I want to get these back on with a better spacer, but honestly these probably need like a 1/2 inch to bring it out more level with the fender. That's what these are. These are 1/2 inch spacer. I want to make the stance of the car a lot better, so figured I'd just make a quick video quickly showing you how to do the front. Change the studs for the front of the car. So make a video, or probably same video actually, on how to do the rears and how to take your axle shafts out and how to change or pull the axle shafts out and then put studs into those. But that won't be right now. This will be probably next week. I'll probably end up doing that. So for right now, leave it here. If I decide to pick up the camera, if there's anything else interesting, I will. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Again, this setup's kind of different to what you'll find on the stock car. I got strange coilovers, B&M K-member, B&M control arms, bump steer kit from SVE, basic setup, this Catless X pipe to Flowmaster American Thunder Series. I got a TKO 600 Tremec in it. Pretty basic engine setup. 302 Edelbrock Performer RPM cylinder heads, Edelbrock Victor intake manifold, AccuFab 75mm throttle body. It's got 25-pound injectors, BBK calibrated MAF, Moroso cold air intake, some scrap piece of aluminum that the old owner used to make the intake, which I need to repaint. Moroso ignition coil cover. These look really great. My old battery, which is actually right here, is from 2012 and it leaked like crazy, so it leaked some crap on here, so ignore that. I gotta repolish it and polish the valve covers and take this thing apart and really clean it.